So hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to tell you how you can download the free MS Word. So first you have to come here and click on the Microsoft Web and then click here Microsoft Store, and here you can click here on this web. So now you can click here and click on the apps and search here the Office. Just write here the Office and you will find here. So here you can see there are all the paid version of the Microsoft, and just click here on the filter and here all department, all types, sorry, and just click on the free. So here these two are still paid, and here this one Microsoft 365 is the free one. Just click here, and these two ways, like you can download from here and view in the store. As I already have the uh, account on this, so you just have to I need to open from here, but for you have to just download from here, and you just need to download from here, and just first time you have to sign in with the Gmail. I already installed, so that's why I don't need right now, but for the first time you can just log in by the Gmail and you can use the free services. Hope you like this video and install this one from here. You can open this one. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, just subscribe my channel for the related video like this.